Welcome to the Funeral Program Site, question and answer video series. Today's question is, what is a digital funeral program? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, it enables us to continue to make useful content for those during a time of loss. A digital funeral program is a pre-formatted and pre-designed document that you purchase and then download from the internet. It is not a shipped item, but one you will get access to after a purchase is complete. This type of file enables you to create a funeral program with the design and formatting already done. Just replace the filler text with your own information and print it locally. Digital funeral programs are a great resource during a time of loss because often, there is not enough time to create this printed memorial. Having a download enables you to get started right away. A digital funeral program can be edited with software you may already own. Microsoft Word, Publisher or Apple Pages are among the most popular software to edit these templates. A better option is Google Docs or our Easy Online Editor. It provides the same type of template, but requires no software installation. Just use any internet connection, browser, and device to edit the digital funeral program. As we advance in technology, software such as Word, Publisher, and Apple Pages will eventually be replaced with online equivalent editors. The Funeral Program Site offers digital funeral program templates that you can use with Google Docs or our online editor. We also have the traditional software program templates, if you prefer to use that instead. Get a jump start on your printed memorial by using our digital funeral program templates, and see the large collection today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.